How can we restore a device to factory settings on HUAWEI eKit SME Network Center? Log into the HUAWEI eKit website, click SME Network Center in the Cloud Management Platform area. On the Projects Created tab page, click More to access the Project O&M page. Click a project to access the Project Details page. Choose Overview Device List. The device list page is displayed. Method 1. Restoring factory settings on a single device. Click the Reset icon in the Operation column of the desired device. In the dialog box that is displayed, click OK. Method 2. Restoring factory settings on multiple devices. Select the desired devices and click Reset. In the dialog box that is displayed, click OK. That's all there is to it. Try it for yourself.